As a registered user of the system, a supplier should access the system with their username and password in order to participate in the DEP procedure. After accessing the system, the following window will appear with the following functional buttons. By clicking the Main button, you can return to the home page at any time. By clicking the Current Procurement button, you will see the list of procurements where the deadline for a bid submission is the current day or has passed. By clicking the Favorites button, you will see the list of procurements which you have marked as a favorite procurement. By clicking the Profile button, the screen will show the information about you that was entered into the system, such as your name, identification code, etc. By using the Edit button, you can update the information about your organization at any time. By clicking the Exit button, you will exit the system. At the end of each working session, it is necessary to click the Exit button in order to protect the data on your organization available in the system. In order to participate in the DEP procedure, you as a supplier should select the World Bank in this drop-down menu. Look for the procurement procedure of your interest, and then select the particular procurement notice. After selecting a particular procurement notice, by clicking the Print button, you can print a particular procurement notice. And by clicking the Chronology button, you will see the date of each change to the status of the procurement notice since the date of its announcement. By clicking the Add to Favorites button, you can add the procurement notice to the list of your favorite procurements. In order to familiarize yourself with the DEP documentation, you should click the button Documentation in the same procurement notice, after which the documentation stored in the system will be opened by clicking a particular document. The system accepts the following formats: PDF, XLS, and XLSX. In a specific DEP procedure for the bid submission, you should press the Offers button on the main window of the relevant procurement notice. After accessing the offer page, you must pay the bid submission fee via debit or credit card. For this purpose, you must select one of the banks in the drop-down menu. Attention! E-payment is possible with a card issued by any bank that has an e-payment function authorized by its issuing authority. By clicking the Pay button, you will proceed to the e-payment page of the bank. After reaching the e-payment page, the particular payment form shall appear on the screen. In order to perform an operation, you must enter the 16-digit number, without spaces or dashes, indicate the card's expiration date, which is shown on the front side of a card, and finally, enter the 3-digit CVC2 security code, shown on the reverse side of the card. After filling in the obligatory fields, you should press the Next button, after which the following window will appear. By clicking the Pay button, the system will automatically deduct the money from your card and transfer it to the account of the state procurement agency, whereas by clicking the Back button, you go back to the system. After successfully making a payment, you can return to the system by clicking the button Return to Website. After paying a bid submission fee, you must upload technical documentation and power of attorney, proving that the person signing the aforementioned uploaded documentation has the appropriate authority. In a procurement announced in 2 lots, bidders are authorized to submit a bid on the whole procurement object, both lots, as well as on one of the lots only. A supplier must add this information in the technical documentation. Without uploading technical documentation and power of attorney, the system will not allow you to submit a bid. By clicking the button Choose File, you can select and mark the technical documentation and power of attorney saved in your computer. By clicking the button Attach, you will upload these documents into the system. The technical documentation you have uploaded is available only to you until the deadline for the submission of the bid expires. You can delete the technical documentation only between the period from a payment of a bid submission fee to submission of a bid price in the system, while the additional documentation can be uploaded until the deadline for the submission of the bid expires. The accessibility of technical documentation depends on the status of a procurement notice. In the status Bidding Commenced, the technical documentation is available only to the bidder. In interim statuses, before awarding a contract, the technical documentation is available only to the bidder and a procuring entity which has announced the respective procurement notice. In the status Contract Awarded, the technical documentation is automatically available to any interested party, except for the documents that have been marked by the supplier as confidential in the system. Clicking the lock icon will make a document confidential. If any of the selected documents have been mistakenly marked as confidential, the system allows you to cancel this mark by clicking on the same button. Once convinced that you have fully and accurately uploaded the technical documentation in the system, you can easily indicate a procurement bid price with the help of the price field. You can indicate your offered bid price alongside the amount. You must then click the Offer button, after which the window will appear, which enables you to click the Yes button to confirm the bid price. Otherwise, you will have to use the No button. After indicating a bid price, your bid will appear in the main field. Attention! Before the deadline for bid submission expires, you will have the option to withdraw your bid through the system by using the button Withdraw Bid. After refusing a bid, a supplier will not be able to participate in this procurement.